Are you tired of capturing the same old boring selfies and landscapes that everyone else is posting? Say goodbye to the mundane and hello to the magic of 360 cameras. These little wonders are here to revolutionize the way you document your life, allowing you to snap stunning immersive photos and videos that'll have your friends wondering what kind of wizardry you've mastered. Buckle up as we dive into the best 360 cameras that will turn your adventures into unforgettable panoramic experiences. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Insta360 X3, our pick for best value 360-degree camera. The Insta360 X3 is your new sidekick in adventure, ready to capture every jaw-dropping moment in stunning detail. Say hello to 5.7K 360 active HDR video that puts the spotlight on your escapades. Because who wouldn't want to relive their life in vibrant detail? With the smart Insta360 app powered by AI, you get to choose angles that'll make your friends green with envy. Equipped with dual half-inch 48-megapixel sensors, the X3 doesn't just perform well in daylight, it thrives in low-light conditions too. You'll snap mesmerizing 72-megapixel photos and create 8K time-lapses that'll make your stories pop. Want to switch gears? The 4K single-lens mode transforms your shots into eye-catching wide angles, just like your favorite action camera. With options like 4K at 30 frames per second or the expansive 170-degree field of view in 2.7K max view, your first-person footage will dazzle and delight. But the real magic lies in its flow state stabilization and horizon leveling. So even if you're bouncing around like a kid on a sugar rush, your videos stay smooth and steady. Plus, grab the invisible selfie stick to capture drone-like footage that seems to float effortlessly beside you. Whether you're conquering mountains or just documenting your coffee run, the Insta360 X3 is putting you back in the director's chair of your own epic tale. Number 4. GoPro Camera Fusion, our pick for best waterproof 360-degree camera. Get ready to unleash your inner filmmaker with the GoPro Camera Fusion, your passport to capturing jaw-dropping spherical videos and photos that wrap around your world like your favorite oversized sweater. With the power to shoot in 5.2K glory and snap 18-megapixel pics, you'll be ready to showcase your adventures in a way that feels like you never left the action. Why settle for basic footage when you can elevate your creativity with the overcapture feature? Transform your stunning spherical videos into seamless 1080p masterpieces, letting you pick and choose your favorite angles right from your phone. With compatibility for gadgets like the iPhone 6s and iPad mini 4, sharing your epic tales with friends has never been easier. Cropping your 18-megapixel spherical shots into traditional images? A total breeze. The GoPro app is like having a mini editing studio in your pocket. Preview, playback, and seamlessly share your adventures as soon as they unfold. And for those wild at heart, the immersive 360 experiences let your audience dive into your world, bringing friends and family along for the ride. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB capabilities, the GoPro Camera Fusion takes your storytelling to the next level. Say goodbye to ordinary captures and hello to a dynamic way of sharing your life. After all, why just experience life when you can capture it from every angle? Still searching for the perfect 360 camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it! Number 3. Insta360 One RS, our pick for best 360-degree camera for modular design. If you're on the hunt for a 360 camera that feels as familiar as your trusty action cam, meet the Insta360 One RS, your new best friend in capturing epic moments. Building on the successes of its predecessor, the One R, this gadget features a clever modular design. You can easily swap lenses, switching from the stunning 4K boost lens for those jaw-dropping wide-angle shots to the 360 lens for an immersive filming experience that'll make your friends wonder if you've hired a Hollywood crew. One of the coolest tricks this little marvel possesses is flow state stabilization. Whichever lens you're using, Your videos will be as smooth as your favorite playlist. No editing sorcery required. With its snazzy new sensor, expect sharp 48-megapixel photos and ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos that pop with vibrant HDR action. But wait, there's more! Say goodbye to the days of awkward selfie sticks invading your shots. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick vanish like a magician's finale. Now, you can effortlessly capture breathtaking drone-like footage and unique perspectives that will leave your audience in awe. With the Insta360 One RS in hand, you're not just documenting your adventures, you're transforming them into extraordinary stories that your friends will be talking about for ages. So gear up and get ready to elevate your photography and videography game to a whole new level. Number 2. GoPro Max, our pick for best 360-degree camera for stabilization. Looking to immortalize your wild adventures in a way that even your future self will salute? Meet the GoPro Max, your new partner in crime for all things action-packed. This little powerhouse isn't just a camera, it's a triple threat that allows you to shoot classic hero-style videos and photos, or dive headfirst into the immersive world of 360-degree footage. With a front-facing screen and killer shotgun mic performance, vlogging is not just easy, it's downright exhilarating. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the game-changing Max HyperSmooth. This tech marvel uses 180-degree capture as your personal stabilizer, keeping your clips ultra-smooth regardless of how radical your moves get. Want to go live? Stream in 1080p to social media with confidence, knowing that your broadcast will look as polished as a Hollywood blockbuster. Ever wanted horizon leveling in a wild environment? You got it. The revolutionary technology ensures your cinematic shots stay perfectly level, even when adventure calls. With 6 built-in microphones capturing premium 360 audio, your stories will resonate like never before. Choose from 4 digital lenses, narrow, linear, wide, and max super view, to tailor your experience to perfection. And let's not forget time-lapse mode that intuitively adjusts speed, so you can relish every thrilling moment. With the GoPro Max in hand, prepare to share your escapades like a pro. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Insta360 X4, our pick for best 360 camera overall. Meet the Insta360 X4, the 360-degree video camera that doesn't just capture moments, it elevates them to cinematic masterpieces. Want your adventure footage to look like it belongs in a blockbuster? With resolutions up to 8K at 30 FPS or 5.7K at 60 frames per second, your videos will pop with stunning clarity that'll leave your friends green with envy. And let's not forget HDR capabilities. Perfect for those challenging lighting situations where half the scene is in shadow and the other half is bathed in sunlight. But wait, there's more. This camera isn't just smart, it's a creative powerhouse. Feel like bungee jumping in slow motion or capturing a sunrise in time-lapse? The X4 has you covered. It's built like a tank and waterproof, so you can take it on all your wild escapades. No worries about splashes or tumbles. Editing? Yep. Insta360's got that down to a fine art, too. You'll breeze through your edits, turning raw footage into mesmerizing content that captures the essence of your adventures. With a 1.24mm focal length and an aperture of 2.8mm, your clips will be rich and vibrant. The 2.5-inch screen means you can keep an eye on your magnum opus while you film. Plus, with the invisible selfie stick, you'll capture every thrilling moment without unsightly poles in the way. Ready to be the next social media star? The Insta360 X4 is your ticket to the spotlight. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best 360 cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which 360 camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.